I'm from a white, black and Latin Jamaican culture, and I have been married to a white man for 16 years. And prior to that I have come to decision in my junior year of secondary school to date only males that liked the same thing that I liked. Some of the things I like are what I liked are yoga, meditation, martial arts, snowboarding, camping, rollerblading, the beach, spontaneous road trips, and mixing with other cultures, and most importantly, having daily discussions on various topics, through philosophical, existential, psychological, spiritual filters. When I started my master's, I noticed that most of the guys that liked what I liked were white. That even happened when I joined the army. I noticed the guys who like what I liked were white. Non-white men often asked why I date a white guy. I find it very humorous that the guys that said this to me had nothing in common with me, so I never really got why they were inquiring. It is all about commonalities and an ability to share and enjoy life experiences together. If a black man has an enjoyable life with a woman who is not of his race, personally speaking, I'm happy for him. I do very much so understand how women of color feel in regards to stand in your, or our place in the hegemonic ladder. However, when it comes to personal interactions, I am pretty sure you would be much more comfortable journeying through life with someone who enjoys